Hey, bookkeepers, it's Trudy from Maven. Let's talk about the elephant in the ledger. Post COVID business isn't what anyone predicted. Remote work, not dead, but definitely changed. AI, everywhere, but not replacing you. Clients, tired of apps and hungry for answers. So, what's actually changed since 2020? What never will? And what do bookkeepers need to stop assuming if they want to thrive in today's hybrid world? Hey, before we start, please take a second and hit the like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because we have some really exciting news coming in the next few weeks and we don't want you to miss any of it. All right, the pandemic fast tracked a lot of changes, but it didn't all stick. Here's what's gone: blind trust in platforms, because clients are now more skeptical of easy buttons that promise financial clarity but deliver confusion. Gone are endless Zoom meetings. Fatigue set in, and smart service providers now keep it lean and on target. And totally remote detachment. Businesses want service providers who understand their real world, not just the spreadsheet. Here's what isn't going anywhere: remote delivery, but with local roots. Clients want flexibility, but they still want face-to-face options, local insight, and someone who actually knows their turf. Compliance pressure isn't going anywhere. The IRS isn't relaxing, and neither are state and local agencies. And lastly, bookkeepers as the real-time translators between raw data and real decisions. That will never go anywhere. This means your role isn't shrinking, it's actually expanding it if you position yourself as a trusted interpreter, not just a transactional service. AI is everywhere, but let's set the record straight for a second. Here's what it can do: reconcile faster, absolutely. Automatically categorize expenses when they're obvious, sure. Draft financial reports, absolutely. But what it can't do is spot fraud, ask follow-up questions, navigate messy client logic, or build trust. If bookkeeping was just math, AI would have won already. But it's not. It's pattern recognition, emotional intelligence, and client communication. AI doesn't replace you. It replaces insufficient workflows. That's a win if you embrace it strategically. We've swung hard towards virtual everything, and now the pendulum is swinging back. Co-working spaces are full again. Local networking like BNI is hotter than it's been in years. Business owners are craving trusted human connections in a sea of bots and apps and over-automated everything. So if you're still hiding behind your email and your DM-only delivery, it's time for you to step out and be seen. Show up where your clients are, physically, virtually, and emotionally. And that starts with you being findable, relatable, and credible, not just available. Post-COVID, the world didn't go remote forever. It went real. Clients want real results, real conversations, and real people in their corner. The future of bookkeeping isn't bots, it's better bookkeepers. So if you're ready to get back to business in a way that works in this world, not the last one, we've got you covered. So download your free Maven Reality Check PDF. It helps you access your positioning, modernize your messaging, and reconnect with the local clients who still need what only you can do. Up next, let's see what's up next. Oh, protect yourself from yourself. Oh, that sounds like something we need to hear about. I'll see you there.